In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone. Now what you're first going to want to do is enable your PlayStation controller to be found via Bluetooth. So how you do that is you hold down the PlayStation button and the share button for a few seconds until the light at the top of the controller starts blinking. That means it's enabled to be paired to Bluetooth. Then you go into your settings of your phone, go into your Bluetooth settings, and then your PlayStation controller should show up. As you can see here, it shows up as other devices, Dualshock 4 wireless controller. So you click on that and it should pair. And once it pairs, it'll be a solid color on your PlayStation 4 controller. And now that it's connected, you're able to go into any game that is compatible with a PlayStation 4 controller. And you're able to use the controller to play on mobile games. It's as simple as that. Thanks for tuning in.